guys, I'm back with another video. So Maniology sent me a PR package. They allowed me to pick 2 plates and 2 stamping polishes. So thank you to Maniology for sending me these products to feature on my channel. So I just have a little card in here. Nice to meet you, Manny Muse. You have a QR code that you can scan for help getting started, but nail stamping is easy to do. And so they put a little cute sticker in here. I'll put that in my sticker book. And so I have 2 plates that I picked out. This first one is cute denim, or cute jeans. Sorry, that's 𝑚631. And the second plate is 𝑚649, Life of Luxury. Thought both of those plates were super, super cute. And so here, I didn't do a mani per se, but I wanted to just kind of start off with some ideas with this particular plate. I do want to do a full mani on my hands at some point. And so they also allowed me to pick out 2 polishes. This one, I don't remember picking this one out, but I guess I did, because now I have 2 of them. One came in the Halloween box that I purchased, and then I have this one. This is a nice kind of pastel neon type orange color, and then the next color I believe is Lost at Sea. I thought I had that color, but I guess I don't. It wasn't in my on my little Maniology polish holder trolley that I have. And so that's kind of like a metallic blue, kind of metallic-y type of holographic. And so whenever I get my plates and I open them up, and I have stamping polishes as well, because I do am part of the Maniology subscription box that comes. I purchase that every month. And so I always take the polish and I want to stamp the image on the top of the swatch sticker on top of the polish. And so I just paint the polish over an image, pick it up with my nail stamper. Y'all saw how slow I was going. This portion is not sped up. And then I just place it down on top of the polish bottle. I never have to use any sticky base coat or anything like that to get the polish to stick to the swatch sticker on top of the polish itself. And you can see this is real time. And I'm not moving super fast, and I'm not moving super slow either. And so I do end up cleaning the polish off of the black part. That's just me, because I don't like it. And so here I have some nails already polished. And so this color, the tan color, is Snowy Beige from Madam Glam. The middle color, the brown, is Mocha Moment from Madam Glam. And then I have a cat eye from Madam Glam as well. And this one is Golden Leaves. And I also applied matte top coat on top of these. You have to be careful when you're stamping with nails that have a matte top coat, because sometimes the image won't transfer. I didn't have any problems transferring the image to these nails. If you have problems in matte top coat, you can always use sticky base coat on top of the nail. So I always have my swatch dot too, so I'll polish that off camera. So I'm going in with cute jeans. This is such a funky doggone denim plate. I like it. And so here again, I'm just doing a nail design. I wanted to see how this would look because denim is blue. You have all shades of denim. It can be blue, gray, whatever color of the rainbow you see fit, or of the color spectrum you can use as denim. And so I'm just scraping this image. I actually had to end up doing this nail over because I messed up. So we're going to speed this video up, and I'll be right back. And so once I picked up the image, I'm just placing that on the nail. You may have to roll just a little bit. Usually I don't have to, but because this is a fake nail, I want to get it on the sides of the nail. And so I thought that was cute. I thought it was cute. I wanted to do something with the zipper, but then I changed my mind because I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get that zipper a different color. So now I'm going in with Maniology's Bam White, and I'm going to use kind of like the little rip part of the denim. And so here, if you want to give that ripped effect, you need to go in with a skin toned color. The most skin tone color that I have is Skin Deep from Maniology. And so the image has dried just a little bit, and I'm going in with a little bit of that color and a nail detail brush. This brush is also from Maniology. Got it in a subscription box. And I'm just coloring that in. You want to be careful, because oftentimes I don't let the image dry enough, and I end up smearing it. So I'm coloring it in because I want to stamp that rip on top of that nail. And so here, once I put it on top, not yet, because you have to let the polish dry. I was just seeing how it could potentially look. Well, while that image is drying, I'm going in with the Life of Luxury plate with that orange color. I thought that would look good. You could do this with a gold, but I did not. And so I'm applying that to that kind of like Louis Vuitton inspired image, I suppose. I'm not into designer stuff because, number one, I don't have that much money. But you see, it's cute, 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 cute. Saw one nail, somebody had like did this in multicolors. I can imagine that would be time consuming. And so, because I am stamping a colored in image, which they call that reverse stamping, I need to apply a sticky base coat to that nail. And I did end up smearing this. I didn't give this enough time to dry. Usually you let it dry between like 30-45 seconds, and you want to place that on the nail. Now I did put too much smudge free or sticky base coat on top of this nail, sorry, and it did smear my image. So off camera, I stamped this nail over using a different image. You can see the denim is not as dense as it was. And so now I'm going in with smudge-free top coat. I didn't say cop coat, but top coat. After I let that smudge-free top coat dry, I'm then going in and applying sticky base coat. I wait about 30, you could even do 30 to 50 seconds, whatever floats your boat. You just want that sticky base coat to become tacky. The image is dry. I had to redo that image as well, and so I'm just stamping that ripped part of that image onto the denim nail, and now you have that ripped denim effect on the nail. I thought that was cute. That was like one of my favorite nails, and so I have to play around with that plate some more. And then I stamped the Life of Luxury nail. And now I'm going in. Now, I don't know what type of luxury design that is. I don't know if that's Burberry, Louis. I can't think of them all. I don't know. But I don't know what that image is. No idea. No big deal, but I thought it was nice. And so I used the orange color, and I'm picking that up with my stamper head, and I'm placing that on the nail. Anytime you are doing nail stamping and you want to coat the nail or top coat the nail, you can do smudge-free top coat followed by another top coat, like a glossier top coat, or you can go in and seal this with gel polish top coat, but you got to make sure that your stamping is dry. I had a little space on the tip of the nail that wasn't covered, and I just placed whatever leftover image was on the nail. I just put that on the tip. So these are the 3 nails that I created. And of course, to clean your stamping plates, you want to use pure acetone. And so here are the 3 nails. I thought they were cute. And I'm just going to apply smudge-free top coat. If I was to do this on my real nails, I would have used a no wipe gel top coat and cured that under the lamp. And so y'all, I dropped this nail. As soon as I went to set the nail down on the table, I forgot that was a little ball and only had a little small flat area, and I was like, crap. And you can see I got smudge-free top coat on my mat, which it cleaned up easily. I'm just polishing that back over. It did not smear the image or anything like that, but I ended up getting some lint on there. So I let the images dry for a few minutes, and then I'm just showing all 3 nails. And so again, thank you to 𝑀aniology for sending me the products that I picked out for PR purposes. I appreciate that. And I do have a discount code with 𝑀aniology. It will be in the description box below. That will save you 10% off of your regular priced purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Have a great week.